Hey, do you guys have a clogged AC drain and you need to get it flushed? You don't want to call a professional? This little tool can save you hundreds. Let me show you exactly how to use it and why this is a must-have for every homeowner to keep right beside your AC unit. Hey guys, welcome back. Now listen, in today's video I'm going to make it short and sweet. If you guys have an AC unit and your condensate drain is clogged up, and you know that your drain is clogged because either you have water coming from underneath your AC unit or your thermostat is shut off and it's not coming back on because this float switch has killed it, this is the video for you. Check this out. I have this little tool here and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you can flush out your AC system. Now I need you to stay tuned to the end because I got another tip for you once you got your AC drain cleaned out and you don't want to miss it. Let's go ahead and get this thing flushed out. I'll show you exactly how easy it is to do. The first thing you want to do is you want to shut off your AC unit. Thermostats vary. I'm not sure exactly how yours is, but I'm sure if you go to the option where you can, either it's a little slider, you can turn it to off, or if it's a touch screen, just set it to the off position instead of heating or cooling. All right, once you have your AC unit shut off, the next thing you want to do is you want to find a location where you can connect this thing to. This thing is just a PVC connector, and all it has is the female end here where you slide it over one of your PVC pipes, and the other end is where the magic happens. You connect this to your regular garden hose. Yep, that's it. With a garden hose, it will get your pipes clean like they were when they were brand new. So check this out. You want to find a joint here, somewhere where you can separate these pipes. I know mine is here, and you can see here, you want to just twist it and remove it like that. Now in my case, this is a female end, so I have one here. Yeah, I have two. One has a female end and one has a male end. Now these things are just a couple bucks, so I always keep two because I don't know if I'm going to have to run into a problem where I need the male end or I'm going to need the female end. In either case, it's only a couple bucks, so I would have both of them handy just in case. So what you want to do next is you want to take your fitting and you want to slide it in. Make sure it's nice and snug and put it into your PVC pipe. Now what you want to do next is just take your garden hose and connect it to your fitting. Once it's nice and snug, go ahead and turn on your pipe. Once your drain is running, let it run and sit there for like 5 to 10 minutes until it's running crystal clear and there's no more gunk and stuff coming out of your condensate drain. Once you're done, just turn off your water. All right, now that you've got your condensate flushed out, the drain is running clear, nice and free, you're pretty much done. But like I told you in the beginning, there's one more thing I want to talk to you guys about once you're done with this. And this is a lot of things that people always overlook whenever they're flushing their condensate drain. Now, if you remember, I connected here and I flushed from here all the way to my outside drain. Now, guess what a lot of people forget about is this pipe here, the piece where you disconnected from here to here. So what I like to do and what I tell people to do all the time is take this piece outside, put your hose on one end and blow it out with water. Same thing here. Unscrew this from your AC unit. If it's too tight, just get a pair of pliers, hook it onto there, loosen it up, take this out along with any pipes that you removed between here and here, connect it to your hose and just flush it out and pump it out with water so that it's nice and clear. As you can see here in mine, it's nice and clean already. But if yours is full of gunk, this is what you want to do, because a lot of times people flush the pipe out from here and the water is actually backing up before it even gets to this. And that's what's causing the problem. So pro tip, clean out all your pipes and your AC will be running like new. So once you're done, just fit everything back together and you're all done. Make sure when you tighten up your pipes, this one especially, you go ahead and put a wrench on it and get it nice and snug. Once you have everything fitted back together, your drain is running nice and clean and you are done. if you find this helpful and you want to see more tips and tricks from my videos, definitely hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. I like doing content for you guys, and I like to keep them coming, and it keeps me motivated when I see that you guys like what I'm doing, and it helps some of you, especially in the comments. Leave comments for me. I check my comments, I read them, and I'll answer back to you guys, especially if you're running into problems trying to follow one of my videos. I'll always try to help you guys out as much as I can. So yeah, hit that like button, give me a subscribe,